Hey everyone, if you're trying to eat healthier, you might be wondering, what are the best fish to put on your plate and which ones should you skip? Today I'm breaking down 5 you should eat and 5 to avoid. Let's dive in. Starting with the good stuff. Here are 5 healthy fish you can add to your meals. Number 1. Salmon. Wild-caught salmon is rich in omega-3s, protein, and vitamin D. Those nutrients support heart health, skin, and mood. Prefer wild-caught when possible. Farmed salmon is less nutritious. Number 2. Sardines. Small but mighty. Sardines are high in omega-3s, calcium, and B12, and low in mercury. Number 3. Rainbow trout. Underrated, mild, and easy to cook. Trout has protein, potassium, and omega-3s, and most store trout is responsibly farmed in the U.S. Number 4. Atlantic mackerel. A powerhouse of healthy fats and vitamin D. Avoid king mackerel, high mercury. Number 5. Herring. Popular in Europe. High in omega-3s and vitamin D and low in mercury. Great for your brain and your heart. Now for the fish to avoid or eat sparingly. First, king mackerel. High in mercury. Risky for kids and pregnant women. Second, tilefish. Among the highest in mercury. Skip it. Third, swordfish. Tasty but high in mercury. If you want a steak-like fish, try tuna or salmon instead. Fourth, shark, high in mercury and often overfished. Choose better options. Fifth, orange roughy. Long-lived, more toxins, and overfished, not sustainable. So there you have it. Stick with salmon, sardines, trout, Atlantic mackerel, and herring. Variety is key. Mix it up and enjoy seafood safely. If this helped, like and subscribe for more health tips. Catch you in the next one.